Let's see, where are you, sweetheart? There's the boy. Christopher?
You might get Morgan over here and sit where the case is.
Christopher? Yeah, I'll have to move. Christopher? Hi. The boy's watching Teletubbies. And is he intent?
There, Aunt Berthel's got Christopher. And they're both watching the TV.
Yeah, we're watching Teletubbies, aren't we?
Hi, Christopher. Hi, Chris.
Is that Margaret?
How do I stop it?
Just press the red button.
Up here?
No, where your thumb is. That's nothing.
Now it's going around. What's that? Hi, Christopher. Hi.
Christopher's on the floor now. He had been watching his Teletubbies. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Christopher. Atta boy. Gonna get up by the table? Huh? Hi.
Norm, I want you to know that when I cleaned the two, just pitched it all. I want the thing put together. As long as I live, I can see you out there and you get part way, then it'll all go collapse again.
When you mentioned, Peggy mentioned that back porch, that's what I thought of, putting that together. I didn't want to say anything.
Didn't work, did it?
How about that?
That was a dirty trick on my part to pull that.
Yeah, that's all right. Oh, good job. It's like a puzzle. Good job.
It just didn't cooperate.
You're so proud. Look up there. I one time took an old,
Hi there.
small
Hi there.
end table, octagonal
It was interesting in that
table.
part of the
It was about this big around. To have it.
show came on.
No. Hi, Andrew. Hi, did you go shopping, Andrew?
Maybe they do them separately. Well, no, we actually did today. Isn't that right?
Hey, Andrew.
There we are on the go again over here. Don't get my feet in the way.
No, I won't. I haven't got your feet in here.
Oh, the telephone. That would be a very interesting thing. I think we'll put that away, okay? I'll get you a different one. Yeah.
Dogs love this. Whoops. That's tottering around.
Do you like that one?
He's keeping me on the go. Hi. Hi.
What you call it, pouring it on. Yeah.
There he goes. Hi, big boy.
Let's wash your hair.
Oh, that feels so good, Mama. That feels so good. Boy, that's a good Madonna and Child picture, I'll tell you.
This out.
Lovely. your grandmas would love this. That's your grandma's, Kathy. Yeah. There we go.
Alrighty, let's get that face washed. Thank you, girl.
That's it.
Here we go.
Oh boy. Having fun.
Oh, you don't have any toys. Look over here. Look here.
Where's the boat?
This is what he wants.
Ah, he's got his own favorite toys, huh?
No, they're
How
grandma and
about
grandma's
that?
actually. We'll just stick those in.
How about
There we
that?
go.
Oh, that's neat.
There we go.
Okay.
Wash that face.
Which is where I, yeah, there is. And then here is now heading more.
About that, and a friend of mine who farms hundreds of acres down in southern Indiana said, no problem, he said, we're gonna get all the food in South America the next few years. He said, our people are using it, it's not good anymore. He said, they're already right back to the world, so I think I'm not gonna worry about it.
No, I mean, the struggle it is to farm. I mean, you think there must be an easier solution that the government and everyone else can figure out, some enterprising person can figure out to make it work.
Well, and it's a business, a lot of them, I think, the ones that don't succeed often, the ones that don't treat it as a business, you don't just plant your stuff and grow it, you gotta do it. I'm gonna do
Mind?
No, you're fine.
Can I get you something?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a cracker or something.
Oh,
in there.
sure.
You don't want me to get cracky, do you?
Not at all.
Heaven forbid.
We're just about ready to eat. So.
We're gonna have
Let's have a party. You got it right, kid.
What kind of a party? What kind of party? You know what kind of party we're gonna have?
Yeah, she makes it bed.
Wow.
Yeah, or somebody else's house. You wait till you come to my house.
Now you got it. Come on, let's have a little more. Your brother's getting all of the attention. Turn this way.
Yeah, those are
You
gone.
betcha, boys.
I'll just be nosy and.
Oh, shoot. Well, I'm recording again, and I see some beautiful little girl in there. And her name is Sarah. You betcha. She's a wonderful little girl.
She just gave me a tour of the whole house, Sarah.
Uh-huh.
Showed me everything.
Well, I'll tell you.
I'm getting water for you.
That's do it.
Happy birthday, dear Berthel.
Happy birthday to you.
Now she's got to blow out the
Well, candles.
All 72 of them.
Can you help?
Help me.
Right.
Should we light them again?
Want to light them again?
Yes, do it, please. Light them again.
Should we light them again?
Back to it.
You want to sing again? Can you sing all by yourself?
Well, let's get them let's get them all lit first, and then you can get to singing.
Aunt
Say Aunt Berthel.
Aunt B.
Happy birthday to you.
Can you sing,
Okay,
sing
let's-
again?
We'll help you, okay? Happy birthday to you. Come on, Andrew, help me.
Birthday Andrew to you.
Happy
Birthday and Berthel. Happy birthday to you.
Can you blow them out?
Okay. Well, on. That's a huffing and puffing.
We're going to have
have a party.
Do you want cake and ice cream, Andrew?
Sit down here, I'll move this chair.
Gotta get your chair. Get your chair.
We got some good ones.
Wait a minute.
That's all right.
Oh.
I'm gonna hand this over here. I'm gonna hand this over here. There. Happy birthday to you. Yay! And we are 4, aren't we? We're 4, all 4 of us.
Yeah.
Godmother, godchildren, and or gods. So we might go to then maybe to Palm Springs or something.
You know, one of the things I thought was so interesting about this, probably gonna sound dumb to you, but when I flew out, I had to go to Las Vegas, and of course I left from there then. And a friend of ours met me to take me to